Hey everyone! So, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Gmail notifications when they're not showing. This is the full guide for 2026. And yeah, these tips work on both mobile and desktop. First, open Gmail and go to Settings. Make sure notifications are enabled for new emails. On mobile, you shall just check if Notify for every email or High Priority Only is selected. Next, check your device's system notifications. On Android or iPhone, make sure Gmail notifications are turned on and not muted. If notifications still don't appear, clear Gmail app cache or restart your device. This often fixes temporary glitches. Make sure your Gmail app is updated to the latest version. Older versions may have bugs that prevent notifications from working. On mobile devices, battery saver or optimization settings can block Gmail notifications. Disable battery optimization for Gmail to receive emails instantly. Also, make sure Do Not Disturb mode isn't enabled. It can stop notifications from showing even if Gmail settings are correct. Send a test email to yourself to confirm notifications are working. If you see it immediately, everything is fixed. And yeah, that's how to fix Gmail notifications not showing in 2026. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.